Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of Beautique Monthly. So if you guys don't know what Beautique Monthly is, it is a monthly subscription service. It is a Korean monthly subscription service. So basically they have two different boxes. They have the monthly Maven box, which is 9 skincare products per month that is great for any skincare lover. I love their face masks. They work so well. They have such different varieties of the makeup masks that if you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, it will work for you. Like, those masks are amazing. And they also have the beauty box, and the beauty box is about, I think it's 9 to 11, I believe. I'll double check, but it is beauty box related. So it could be skincare, it could be hair care, it could be makeup, it could be like tools, utensils, hair stuff, literally anything. They do gift me these boxes. I do monthly unboxings for you guys just to show you guys what is in them. They also do give me a discount code for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these boxes. As always, I'm going to leave the code right here, and then I'm also going to leave it in the description box down below, along with the link to the website if you guys want to purchase it. But before we get started into that portion of the video, I just want to ask you guys to please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion beauty, and if you hit the post notification bell, you'll get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. And then also, if you do like what you see, please consider giving this video a thumbs up so I know what y'all like. And without further ado, let's get unboxing, guys. Alright, so as always, we're going to start off with the Mask Maven box, and I did not even peek about what is in here, so I'm so excited. I literally just got this in the mail yesterday, and I was like, okay, I need to do that today. Like, I need to film and see what is in here. It is so good. I get so excited with these boxes. They always have a theme, and I think the theme is just so darn cute. Plus, it just gives me an excuse to just relax. Like, sometimes you just don't really, like, I'm so fast paced. I have so many things going on and on my plate that literally when I see these masks, I'm like, okay, at least once a week I need to sit, relax, and do my mask, you know? So, okay, so the January 2020 Pores No More is the theme. So every single month, as I said, they have themes. This is the January 2020 box, so the first box of the year, and I'm so excited. Okay, so first one that we have, this is the My Beauty Diary Witch Hazel Oil Control Essence Mask. This has me sold on the name already because I have oily skin and I need something to help control my oils. So this is the Witch Hazel, is a natural astringent that loosens blackheads, shrinks pores, and removes excess oil. This mask is formulated for sensitive acne-prone skin to aid in blemish treatment and overall skin health. I need this. I'm oily, I get acne prone, and I actually really love Essence products. So I'm super excited to go ahead and test this out. Then we have the package Don't Worry Healing Mask. Main ingredient, Centella Acetica, is great for anti-inflammation for your skin, which means while the mask works to draw out impurities, it's also protecting the skin from irritation. That sounds great. I think the packaging is just so cute. Those people hugging, that's adorable. So really excited to test out that one. Then we have the NOHJ Skin Traveler Peel Off No Sebum Peeling Pack. Okay, this peeling pack contains Centella Acetica, I need to learn how to say that word, extracts, hippoprone, oh my god, I don't know how to say that, fruit extracts, and charcoal powder, which delivers rich moisture and nutrients for the skin to help cleanse your skin of impurities. So spread the peeling pack around your face, avoid the lips and eye area, apply for 20 to 30 minutes, and then peel it off. This is just like a peel off mask. It's actually really cool. Then we have the NOHJ Skin Traveler Wash Off Pore Gold Bubble Mask. Ooh, I love bubble masks. So this refreshing mask bubbles bursts away sebum, impurities, and blackheads. Its main ingredient, including gold and hyaluronized collagen, delivers hydration to the skin and helps enhance skin elasticity. So after cleansing your place, apply a moderate amount to your face, avoiding the lips and eye area. Then you leave on for 2 to 5 minutes, gently massaging the bubbles, and then rinse away with lukewarm water. So I really like how this is actually a really fast mask. Sometimes you don't have a lot of time and you just want to do a mask and then get going. Then we have the Minzon Joyful Time Rose Essence Mask. So This mask is great for calming, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties. The mask also provides a great moisturizing action and minimizes the appearance of pores. I love how this month is all about helping the pores because my pores need help. They need a lot of help. It may not look like it because I use a pore minimizing primer, but they need a lot of help. Next one we have is the My Beauty Diary Apple Polyfoam Pore Tightening Mask. So this mask is formulated with apple and aloe extracts with help to tighten pores and brighten your skin. The star ingredient is polyphenol, which contains a large amount of antioxidants that help slow down aging, leaving your skin looking young and refined. That sounds really, really good. Then we have the Timeless Truth Timeless Control Clarifying Black Charcoal Mask. That is what this one looks like. The clarifying mask purifies pores and removes excess sebum without irritation. It also boosts the metabolism of the skin for faster essence absorption and leaves you with a clearer and healthier complexion. That sounds really good for me, so really excited. And then we have the Charcoal Solution Black Mask. So a blend of charcoal powder and volcanic ash delivers both detoxifying and hydration properties to the skin. A densine helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, while other natural ingredients soothe the skin. I've actually used a few products that have the charcoal powder and volcanic ash, especially from Mask Maven, and I actually really like how that works with my skin. I felt like I saw such a difference. Then we have another one. They always give like a mystery mask, so this one is the Healing Bird Beautiful Every Moment Botanical Face Ultra Moisture Coconut Sheet Mask. So this is really good. This is going to provide so much moisture to my face, and I need it especially during these winter like nasty months. So I'm super excited to go ahead and test these out. Then we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Beautique Beauty Box. So again, we have the Pores No More Beauty Box. So one thing that I really like is that the Beauty Box and then the Mask Maven box always have the same exact theme every month. So if you're gonna get the Beauty Box or the Mask Maven box, then no matter what, you're gonna get the same exact theme, and it's really gonna help target that area. So this month is pores. One time they had like girlfriend month where like you just hung out with your girlfriends and like they gave you 2 of everything, the face mask or anything in the beauty box. You just got 2 of everything for like different skin tones. One product was geared towards oily, one was geared towards like dry skin, and it was just really good because you got to just sit with your girlfriends and relax. It just reminded you of like certain things. Like you got to take your time to sit and relax with your friends, pamper yourself. Another month they did do it was like tea time, and it was just properties that really helped soothe your skin. Like I really like how every single month they just target specific like problem areas with your skin. But this is what that looks like, and the little sticker says keep calm and love your skin. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the Perfect Pore Primer. Ooh, all right, this looks like, that looks so darn cute. Okay, so this pore minimizing takes time. In a pinch, this primer will make your skin appear smooth and matte while delusioning pores from you. Ooh. Apply a small amount of skin to oily skin areas using a gentle tapping motion. I'm actually really excited to test this out. I love pore minimizing primers. Today, like the e.l.f. one is really, really good. I love my Timeless Tarte one. I really love that one, and those 2 are like my favorite, and they work so well for my skin. So I'm really excited to see if that is going to work for my skin. Then we have the All Kill Blackhead Zero Toner. That is what this is, and this toner tightens your pores and helps remove the blackheads and whiteheads. It features green tea and rosemary extracts, which will help hydrate dry pores, and centilla and Astacia extracts, which will help soothe your sensitive skin. So after washing and cleansing your face, apply the toner onto your skin and follow up with a moisturizer or the next step of your skincare routine. For better coverage, put the toner on a cotton pad and gently apply all over your face. So I'm really excited to test this out. Right now I'm using the Dermalogica one. I only use like 1 toner at a time because I also do have acne pads that my doctor did prescribe to me. So I always use a toner in the evening just to help with my pores and make my skin look a little better. Thing that we have, this is the Vasi for cleared purified skin charcoal daily purifying foam cleanser. Oh, okay, so that is what this looks like. And this is a foam cleanser, features charcoal along with rosemary, green tea, and cameline flower extracts, which helps clear skin of impurities. The rich bubbles this cleanser produces burst away dirt and clogged oils from pores and leaves behind smooth, clear skin. So apply a pea-sized amount to your face, rub it gently until foam appears, and rinse off with water. To better exfoliate your skin, apply a cleanser into the silicone facial cleansing brush included in the beauty box. Wait, hold on. Oh, okay, that's this. Okay, so let's talk about this. So this is a silicone facial cleansing brush, and it looks like a little paw print. Isn't that just so darn cute? That is just so cute. So the silicone pad gently massages your face and helps deliver radiant results by cleansing your face and gently removing makeup, oil, and dirt. It will also effectively deep clean your pores and exfoliate your skin, leaving it soft and smooth. So I have used a lot of different brushes, but I always just go back to my hands. Like, I don't know why. I really just like using my hands when I wash my face. I'm excited to go ahead and try this out. So apply a small amount of cleansing foam to the brush, then use circular motions to gently rub in the product, and then wash off your face, and then wash off cleanser after. The silicone brush is made from silicone, which is beneficial in preventing bacteria cleanup and is easy to clean. So I'm actually excited to test this out. I think the paw print is just so darn cute. So yeah. Next we have, this is the Lupul Nose Pack. Oh, okay. So strip away blackheads in your nose with this nose pack. This product was created to adhere to each individual pore and gently but efficiently remove blackheads, so you're left with a clean, smooth surface and less noticeable pores. Wet the area around and on top of your nose and apply the strip along the natural curve of your nose. Leave on until the strip dries and gently peel off. I'm actually really excited to use this. I love using nose strips. Ivan loves using nose strips, so I'm excited to test this out. I only have one, so I'm gonna have to use it. Sorry, Ivan. So last thing we have is the, oh my god, this looks so cute. I need to open this up. It has like a little hen on there, but this is the Tony Moly Tightening Cooling Pack for Pores. This is what it looks like. It looks like a little egg. The Tightening Cooling Pack. Oh, it's like a mask. That is not what I was expecting. Okay, so this wash off mask will deep cleanse your pores and smooth your skin while providing a cooling sensation. It features the ingredients eggshell powder, which helps tighten your skin, kaolin clay, which will help control sebum production. Apply evenly to clean dry face, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse off with lukewarm water. Star ingredients: egg yolk maximizes your moisture level and leaves it soft and smooth. Okay, I think that this looks really, really cool. So I'm excited to test this out. I love the packaging. I feel like a lot of the products in their boxes have really cool packaging, so that's just something that I'm really, really drawn to. But yeah, I really like everything that was in this box and everything that was in the Mask Maven box. I feel like they have so many good products, and I'm really excited to see what they do for my skin. So far, everything that I have used from either the beauty box or the Mask Maven box has made such a difference in my skin. My skin just looks a lot healthier, plumper. It just, I don't know, my skin just has a different appearance now. But yeah, I have really liked everything that has been in these boxes so far. I've been getting them for more than like 4 months, and everything has worked really, really well for my skin. Nothing has irritated or like dried out or hurt my skin, so I'm really excited. I know everybody's skin reacts different, but my skin has been reacting really, really well to these products that they did put in these boxes. So that's why I'm always looking forward to these boxes, trying out new products, especially Korean skincare. So I'm super, super excited to test these products out. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know if you guys have tried out this box before. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. I definitely want to hear that. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and if you hit the post notification bell, you'll get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Let me know if you guys are going to get this box, and let me know what products you really gravitated towards in this box. I feel like mine was definitely this cute little egg, and then also the primer. And then for the mask, I really liked the Witch Hazel oil control one. So I'm super excited to test everything out. Thank you to Boutique Monthly for gifting me this. I'm super excited to test this out. Again, if you guys are interested and you want to purchase this, I'm going to leave my discount code here so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!